This June arrived with a little more drama than usual. An early season typhoon brought heavy rain to our corner of rural Japan, enough to completely transform the landscape overnight. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is Pancake. We're Canadians who live in this old Japanese house we rent, while renovating a very old Japanese house we own. In the last video, we took you through our renovation and property plans for the next several months. And while renovating an old house has its own challenges, sometimes it transcends human intervention and enters the realm of acts of God. Enough to bring work on our house to a grinding halt. After tackling the overgrown property weeks before, it was finally time to deal with the aftermath. We had a woodchipper booked for the following week, so there was plenty to do before the typhoon arrived. At the end of the day, there was one more thing we wanted to check. Late May is Firefly season. And before the storm arrived, we wanted to see if any had made a home here. We spotted one. Not quite the magical display we'd hoped for. But back at our rental, we were treated to a reminder of just how magical Firefly season can be.
Does that smell good? See him with this nose? Ooh. What's that? What is that? Delicious.
With the woodchipper finally on site, our goal was simple: process as much of the brush pile as possible before the approaching typhoon shut us down. while June is the rainy season here in Japan. A typhoon this early is unusual and unexpected. When they do come, it means securing loose items and readying the house for the coming storm. In these cases, a little preparation can go a long way. And the same goes for life online. This is where I want to thank today's sponsor, Surfshark. Every time you go online, there are digital threats lurking in the background, from hackers and data breaches to companies tracking your activity. By encrypting your internet connection, Surfshark blocks those prying eyes by turning you virtually invisible online. So it makes it harder for others to track you online. Surfshark is also more than just a VPN. It's a cybersecurity app with tools designed to keep all aspects of your online life safer. It's online security, device protection, and even ID protection all in one app. You can schedule virus scans, automatically quarantine suspicious files, and even receive alerts if your private information appears in a data breach. Plus, you can put unlimited devices under one plan, which means that everyone in your household can benefit from Surfshark's protection. Their alternative ID feature lets you generate a new name and email address, helping you avoid sharing your real details every time you sign up for a service. Surfshark also lets you change your virtual location so you can access games or streaming libraries, whether you're traveling or even at home. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try Surfshark risk-free before committing. So when you're ready to use Surfshark, be sure to go to surfshark.com/MyGomika and use my code MyGomika at checkout, because that will get you 4 extra months free on your first subscription. Hey, should we go for a walk?
You said the words.
Do you want to, though?
Alright. You're up. Yeah, so it's kind of deceptively more wet than it even looks.
By the time the typhoon passed over, the fields had all but disappeared beneath a flooded plain. Everyone had just planted their rice a few weeks earlier. So standing there looking across the flooded fields, it was hard not to wonder if they had weathered the storm. Fortunately, the floodwaters didn't stay for long.
Just starting to see the rice come out.
Oh yeah, okay.
More beautiful after a storm.
While the rice escaped unharmed, some of the garden vegetables weren't quite as lucky. Root crops especially suffered the most, forcing us to harvest a little earlier than planned. The typhoon may have interrupted our plans, but I suppose that's just part of life when restoring an old house in the countryside.
I do enjoy a little bit of slapstick.
Aren't they pretty?
I don't know what they'll think about it.
They ever used it?
No, didn't even know what beets were.
That's fun.
For now, we're glad the rice survived,
Do you suggest anything?
the house made it through the storm, and that we can get back to work. There's still brush piles and renovation waiting, and always another project waiting around the corner. Whether you've been here since the beginning or just recently found the channel, thanks for spending some time with us today. Every like, comment, and share helps us continue making these videos. And to those of you supporting us on Patreon, thank you. Your support plays a huge part in making these projects and videos possible. If you'd like to support the channel or simply get some extra behind-the-scenes content, you can find them over on my Patreon. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!